7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
At 6:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Irmo, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Lexington, West Columbia, Casey, Irmo, Forest Acres, St. Andrews, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, Red Bank, Dettsville, Oak Grove, South Congaree, Pine Ridge, Gaston, Arcadia Lakes, Columbia International University, Harbison State Forest, Riverbank Zoo, South Carolina State Farmers Market, and Woodfield. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 54 and 76. Interstate 26 between mile markers 94 and 120. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 19. For your protection, seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorms can produce large...
Big ass SVR there. Well, it's not big, but...
If on or near Lake Murray, move away from the water and take shelter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fairfield,
North South Carolina! Columbia getting in on the action, I see. After I missed an SVA this morning, Columbia decides to pull an SVR for Fairfield County.
With a temperature of 78.